trust in you, my faithful Lord. How perfect is your love. You answer me before I call. My hope, my strength, my song, and I shout for joy. I thank you, Lord. Your plan stands firm.